Hi guys, good morning and welcome. My name is Primus Veku, and here we are again with Primus Learning videos. This video is going to be a short video, but it's going to be a little nice video. As I said, my name is Primus Veku, and this is Primus Learning. And this video is meant to help those who deal with transcriptions, like you have an audio and you want to transcribe it into text format, right? You have a video and you want to transcribe it. You want to get all the whatever is spoken on there. You want to transcribe that and have it as words. This is exactly what we'll do through this video. So I have a couple of recordings. I have three of them, 1, 2, and 3 record audio 1, 2, and 3 that I want to somebody sent for me to help them transcribe. And so we will use AWS Transcribe or Amazon Transcribe to accomplish this task. So we are transcribing from audio to words. So let me show you how that works. It's really quick. So you want to have an Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, you can create one really quick by just going to Amazon or AWS console. Just go to AWS Management Console, click on Management Console. And if you don't have an account, you can just go here, do sign in to the console. If you don't have an account, you can actually just click it. It's taking me here because I've already created I have an account. I've logged in already. But you see where it says account. If you didn't have an account, you go there and it will walk you through the process of creating an account. I have a video here in the channel, which shows you how to create an AWS account. So if you don't have an account yet, you can go on there and watch that video and come back here to continue. So once you have an account, you want to log into the account. The previous video I just mentioned also walks you through how to log into your AWS account. So I've logged into Primus Learning Test account, and I've looked for the service called Amazon Transcribe. So the name of the service is Amazon Transcribe. And what does this do? It is a service, an automatic speech recognition service. So it can transcribe high quality and affordable speech to text, right? It can do all of that for you. And it deals with real-time transcription jobs, custom language models. So you can do real-time transcription, which means you can be speaking and it's transcribing for you and all of that. It can do real-time analytics, that analyzing speech and giving you detailed analytics of that and all that. So you can explore the service. For this video, we just want to quickly walk you through how to do a transcription. So the first thing to do is to upload the audio that you have. I've shown you the 3 audios that we'll be working on, 1, 2, and 3. So the first thing is to upload the audio. So we'll upload the three audios to a service called S3. So you search for S3 and click on S3. And the first thing you do is to create a bucket. If you don't have a bucket, to create a bucket is real quick, right? You just click on create and just give it a unique name. The name has to be unique generally. So you can just call this Primus Learning Audio transcriptions, right? You can just name it like that. And then all of that is fine. Just create. So we've created a bucket. This thing that we created is called a bucket. It is where you can store data, any type of data. It can scale as much as possible. You can store your data just as you store information in Google Drive, just as you store information in Dropbox and many others, right? So we've created a bucket and we'll upload the files. There are 3 files that we want to upload. Remember, you can just drag and drop or just click on add files and we'll select all 3 and upload. All right. So we've uploaded 3. You can create folders inside this and put them inside. So to create a folder is really easy. You see all 3 are already uploaded. So you can go back, just close this and go back to that bucket. You see, I have 3 files. But if I wanted to put these files each in a folder, I will just create a folder here and put them inside. But we'll not do that for now. So let's open this and copy this link right here, the URI. you want to copy what is called the URI, the S3 URI, because we'll use it in the transcribe job. So copy this. See, the S3 URI is what you want to copy. Now you can store data in S3 and download it. You see, you can deal with this data. It will live for us. It has 99.9999999 availability so far as you have your AWS account available. All right. So let's go to the Amazon Transcribe service. Remember, the name is Transcribe, like that. So search for this service. Go to the service and create a job. The job is meant to transcribe. So you see, create a transcript. This one, no, actually, this one is creating a real-time transcript. So like you want to, you want to be talking real time. But what we want to do is a transcription job. So we want to create a transcription job. So you go to transcription jobs on the left side, and then you just give it a name. Just say audio one, audio dash one, right? It's the audio one that we want to transcribe. Leave the rest as they are and put the S3 URI that we copied right here. You can also browse the S3 bucket and go to the location, right? So you can also do this, right? From here, the bucket is this one, you open it, and then the particular location is audio one, and choose. It would still bring you to this video right here. So you want to just take next, but these are options that you could choose from, right? These are options that you could choose from. You could decide to put the output in a particular S3 bucket location. So you choose a location where the output, so the already transcribed file would be stored, right? You will select this option here. If you want to have subtitles, file format, you could choose this. These are different. I've never used this. I don't even know what it is. Tags is just naming your transcription job, right? And so these are just alternatives, whether you want to use it or not. Audio identification, choose to split multi-channel audio into separate channels for transcription. Alternative result, enable to view more transcription result. PHI in identification, whether you want to identify personal information, data that is protected health information. That's the meaning of PHI, protected health information. So if it is some kind of health information, and maybe you were doing this transcription for a health organization, you would want to use PHI identification, right? So you turn this on, you just turn it on like that. But since that's HIPAA compliant, a HIPAA compliant privacy rule that you must use that identification. And also, if you want to identify toxicity, if you want to enable the toxicity detection feature, you just enable it like this. But that's not the point here. So that would flag toxic speech in your transcription output. So it will flag it. And then you want to see personal identified data, like information that is really personal to you. You can do that and all that and all that. But that's not what we want to do. We just want to create a job right away. So we've created a job. The job is in progress. So we can go ahead and create a second job for the second transcription. We'll just call this one audio 2, right? Remember we had different audio. So call this one audio 2 and just go back here and select audio 2 because we want them in different jobs. Go to next and create a job. Created a second job. See, this one is already complete. So we can already download this information. But let's just create a third job. I'll call it audio 3, right? This is the third job. And we want to choose the third audio, which we uploaded in S3. So this is the third audio. We choose and go next, and create a job. You see, the second job is still in progress. It's probably longer than the first. You see, it took this time to do it, and it will expire in 89 days. So from today, it will be 89 days, and this would expire. So you need to download this so that you have it available. Now you see, you can already see the transcription right here. This is all it is right here. So, hello, speaking. Hi, this is Dr. Rochelle. I'm calling and returning your call, blah, 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 right? So you can go ahead and download this right here. Once you've downloaded it, just open it up, right? Just open it up and just copy from here, right? Right from here. You can just copy just what the important part. The rest of it is in JSON format. So you don't want all of that. This is all it is. You see, it just ends with bye bye right here. The rest of it is the audio format. So you can just do this and put it somewhere, and put it somewhere like here and say, and name it audio one, right? This is the text. You just name it audio one. It's already transcribed. Name it audio one text, right? It's already transcribed. So if you listen to the audio, you hear the same thing. It started hello speaking, blah, blah, blah. So it's the same thing from audio one right here. So if you listen to it, I'm not sure you'll be able to hear, but let's try. Let's give it a try. All right. So you heard the video. Hello speaking. Hi. This is Dr. Rachel, right? This is Dr. Rochelle. You heard that real clear. All right, that's the text is transcribed, and we can go straight to the next one. So remember, we have 3 jobs. You download the second job, which is this one. So we can go ahead and do download and just open that up. Just copy the important thing for this one. So this one starts from here, right? You see the text will be in bracket. So yes, it starts from that yes right there. You see the completed status, the status and all that. So you just copy from here down to wherever it will be. This one looks like it's a little longer. So the real text ends somewhere here. So I'll just do this. Okay, yeah, because all right. So right from here, the rest are just JSON format. So I will just copy this and discard this. This is not useful information anymore. Just come up here and paste that and just save it as what? Just save it as, audio 2. Audio, audio 2 text like that. You can just save it as audio 2 text, save, go to the third, same thing, download the third audio transcription. It's no longer an audio, it's a transcription now. Go ahead and download. So want to go to downloads, just download transcript and open the transcript up. And voila, you have your text. This one looks longer as well. So we'll just do, I think it's from here. You see it starts with something like that. And then we go down, this one is long. You see this is real text, real text, real text, right up to the JSON format, which ends somewhere down here. Bye-bye, with a bye-bye. Just copy that and bring it to our text, put it in a notepad or whatever, Word document or whatever you want, save it as. We'll call this audio 3 text. And that's it. We have our transcription done. Audio this, I didn't save it in the right place, the first one. So I'll save this in my downloads folder because I will need to send this to the person. And voila, we have our 3 ready to go. And the last thing you want to do is just clean this up, right? You don't want to have hanging data. So just come here, clean, delete. We don't need this job anymore. Delete. Go here, delete. Don't need this job. And the last one, delete. And if you don't need the data, you go to S3. So you just search the S3 service again, S3, because you have done your job. You have not used any money right here. No money. AWS doesn't charge you for this type of thing that you just did. They will charge you for the data storage, but this data is really nothing, So I'll just go in here and clean that data up. So I want to just delete everything because I don't need them. But if you need them the second time, you can keep it. So I'll just say delete, and it will ask me whether I want to permanently delete. And if yes, I'll just write the word permanently delete here. And that's it. I've deleted no money, nothing used. So you see that with a simple transcription like this, you can actually build a website that is doing just transcription and tag in an API that is making calls to AWS, right? You get um, maybe you get your audios and videos from somewhere, upload them on your website, and it puts them, an API puts them in S3 bucket, and you create jobs through an API again. You make a call and create a job, transcription job. It does that and sends the output back to your website and you give it to your users. That's a whole use case that you can do and provide just a transcription service, guys. I'm giving you free tips to create a business right here. All right, so that's it from me. I just wanted to quickly show you because I had that video. Sorry, I had those three things to transcribe for someone, and I thought I could share this with you this morning. I hope you learn from it. I hope it's helpful. Thank you very much and have a great rest of your day.